Watimo aya chaho.
Well, this is Abim, and Abim is a place which is covered by hills, surrounded by hills. Actually, the district has been put into a hill, a circumference of hills. So behind the camera, we have somebody who knows, who is very familiar with the hill. So I will be asking, and he will be telling us the name. So to start with, my friend, how is the other one called?
That one is called Atene.
Latene. Well, what about the one next to it?
Wangajok.
Wangajok.
It connects up to this one.
You keep on rolling the camera so that the viewers can see. So the Wangajok comes up to even the big one here.
Up to here.
Until here. So this one, you said it is called Yataria.
That one is called Yataria.
Because it is having
a cross on top where people normally pray during festive season.
Okay. Then the other one?
The other one is called Kidapan.
Kidapan.
Basically, the name is got from the shape it has got. Opane. That one is called Toroi.
Toroi. Then the other one. You don't know that one. And yet,
we shall work on that.
Those ones there don't.
Those ones. Yeah.
Then this one here.
That one is called Kidichim.
Kidichim?
Basically, it was used for communication for the UPDF soldiers.
I think the names were named of recent.
Of recent, yeah.
Not old, in those old age. So it was named in this 19th century.
Of course, as time goes on, the old names get to disappear.
So it was, it's called Kidichim because there was telecommunication booster and signal for dealing with the LRA war.
Yeah.
The low resistance army.
Okay,
thank you very much.